Hello everybody, welcome back. I am fired up for today's video because I will be sharing with you how to prepare cocoa coir for seed starting. If we're just meeting for the first time, my name is YAJE and I have been growing these culturally important African vegetables in my backyard for over 20 years. My mission on this channel is to teach people how to grow these vegetables, how to process them, and how to cook them. So today I wanted to show you how to prepare cocoa coir for seed starting. If you don't know what cocoa coir is, the brick looks like that, but cocoa coir comes from the coconut. It is that part between the seed of the coconut fruit and the outer shell, and it makes a great medium for seed starting and potting mixes. This cocoa coir I bought from Amazon. I'm going to put a link in the description box below and you can check it out. I am trying different media for seed starting. I did share a video where I did the seed starter mix with peat moss, and so I am doing this one with cocoa coir. What you need, obviously the cocoa coir. You also are gonna need water, preferably hot water, and then a container with a lid to do the rehydration in. And then if you want, you might want to add a little bit of inorganic fertilizer. So this is what we have from that brick of cocoa coir rehydrated. This whole bucket full and this whole bin full of the rehydrated cocoa coir. Look at the texture. I had to add a lot of water. I want to say at least 10 liters of water to hydrate the cocoa coir, and it has expanded as you can see. So you can use this to grow your seeds in, to start your seeds in as is. Just fill your containers and plant in, or you can do what I will do, make that seed starter mix, and this time I'm going to mix it with I'm going to mix my cocoa coir with some vermiculite. I bought this one from Amazon. It's a lot. That's because I plan to do a lot of container gardening. So vermiculite looks like this as opposed to perlite, but they both function in the same way, help with drainage. The cocoa coir holds moisture and this one helps with drainage. So I'm going to mix it 2 parts of cocoa coir, 1 part of the vermiculite to make my seed starter mix. Quick question for you. Where is your garden? I would like to know. If you're watching this video, drop a comment and let me know where your garden is. If you are in the United States, mention the zone. I would like to know where your garden is. Also, let us know if you do start your own seeds and how you start your seeds. What type of medium do you use? Are you a cocoa coir person? Do you use peat moss? Do you do it yourself? Do you buy it from the store? Drop a comment and let us know. Thank you. Making seed starter mixes is much like cooking, where everybody has their own recipe. But the basic ratio here is 2 parts of the organic matter, which is the cocoa coir in this case, and 1 part of the inorganic matter, and I'm using vermiculite in this case. So everybody has their own little tweaks here and there. If you have a tweak, I would like to know. You would notice I added a little bit of inorganic fertilizer in this mix because I want the seeds after they have germinated to have a little bit of something because the cocoa coir and the vermiculite do not have nutrients. We only use this to start the seeds. Once the seeds have germinated, we need to transfer them into a different medium for them to grow into the potting mix. That one now has nutrients to support growth. But I went ahead and added that little teaspoon of fertilizer just to give my seedlings something to start with. And yes, what I have here is egusi. I am trying egusi in the garden this year. I believe some people call egusi bitter melon. I'm going to share more about how I started the egusi in a subsequent video. Go ahead and subscribe if you have not yet done so to join the family, and please kindly share the video. Do not leave without giving the video a thumbs up, and most importantly, remember to grow a garden, because when you grow a garden, you grow health. Thank you. Bye.